first thing first that I have to tell you that I watched the song and it's looking fab. You are looking fab in the song, and the new hero, right? Your chemistry with your husband looking awesome in the video. I have to say that, and trust me when I'm saying all this, I'm not just praising you, but it is actually looking fab. Tell me, where did you get the idea from of the song and also casting your husband or featuring your husband in the video?
Hi. Firstly, thank you so much for such lovely words. Thank you. And I shall pass it on to Mike as well. Yes, and thank you for the love, for Dil Ka Fitur and the support that you guys are giving. सो ये गाना, इसका आइडिया आया जब कौशिक एंड गुड्डू जिन्होंने ये गाना कंपोज किया है, उन्होंने उन लोगों ने ये गाना कंपोज मेरे लिए किया था, एंड वी वांटेड टू डू अ फन न्यू एज बट good melody original, with very new fresh sound, और जो I think very beautifully these boys have done. And so हाँ, so ये गाना बनने के बाद आया time to decide on the concept of the video. और मैं हमेशा हमने since I was a child, I've seen Switzerland through our amazing Bollywood blockbuster movies, जहाँ पर हमारे gorgeous heroes and heroines have always sung songs and romantic songs, chiffon sari mein and all that. But हमेशा summer देखा है. और now that you guys know that I stay here, Switzerland में half of the time, so I have seen how beautiful the winter is over here. So I wanted to do a video, a music video, जहाँ पर मैं एक सिंपल लव स्टोरी पोर्ट्रे कर पाऊँ विद द बैकड्रॉप ऑफ स्नो एंड स्नो कवर्ड माउंटेन्स एंड द काइंड ऑफ द स्विस अल्पाइन लाइफ. तो वो कॉन्सेप्ट वहाँ, दैट्स हाउ आई केम अप विद द कॉन्सेप्ट. और जो आप लोग स्टोरी देख रहे हो काइंड मेरे लाइफ स्टोरी से मिलता है, द वे माइक एंड आई मेट, बट नॉट दैट. ओनली डिफरेंस इज लाइक कि माइक doesn't work in a restaurant. He's a hotelier and he doesn't work as a waiter in a restaurant. Only difference is that मैं अकेले नहीं गई थी घूमने, मेरे साथ मेरे गर्लफ्रेंड्स थे, और 2016 की बात है, और मेरे my brother was also there, and yeah, but yes, स्टोरी का जो बॉटम लाइन ऑफ द स्टोरी इज लाइक एक लड़की जाती है घूमने, और वहाँ पर एक लड़के से मिलती है, एंड इन द फर्स्ट ग्लांस ओनली दे स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग ईच अदर. माइक और मेरा भी वैसा ही सीन था, और माइक को कास्ट किया बिकॉज माइक वॉज नॉट द चॉइस फॉर द म्यूजिक वीडियो एट द बिगिनिंग. हम लोगों ने एक बहुत ही लाइक अ प्रोफेशनल वेरी गुड लुकिंग जर्मन मॉडल हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया था, एंड वी ऑलमोस्ट डिड ऑल द कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल वर्क, सब कुछ हो गया. बट जस्ट लास्ट मोमेंट में क्योंकि टाइम नहीं था, तो वो लड़का, द एक्टर एंड द मॉडल फ्रॉम जर्मनी, वी नेवर गॉट अ चांस टू मीट. तो सब हम DOP शिराज भट्टाचार्य और हम लोग सोचे थे कि वी वर वरीड दैट वेदर केमिस्ट्री रहेगा कि नहीं बिटवीन द गाय एंड मी. सो लास्ट मोमेंट में हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि एक्चुअली शिराज और अक्षय फ्रॉम माई टीम दे सेड दैट आप माइक को क्यों नहीं लेते. एंड आई वॉज लाइक एक्चुअली नॉट अ बैड आइडिया, मैं पैसे भी बचाऊंगी फर्स्टली, आई वोंट हैव टू पे एनीबॉडी, आई एम नॉट गोना पे माइक. सो वैसे हम लोगों ने, मैंने बोला माइक को, बोला माइक यू हैव टू एक्ट इन दिस म्यूजिक वीडियो. वो थोड़ा सा हिल गया बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट व्हाट ही डज, बट स्टिल या we did it, like he did it actually. That's how the video happened.
This is a really very unique situation that we all are facing worldwide, right? You are in Switzerland right now, and we are here in India. Your family lives in India also. So how you are staying motivated, staying connected with all your people over here in Mumbai and in Bengal, in everywhere, like wherever your family and friends are living. And also I would like to know that whenever there is this difficult situation that you face, which is this one song, okay, one song that kind of motivates you to get up and fight. If you would like to sing that song for your fans.
Yeah, as you said correctly, we are going through the strangest and actually one of the most difficult times of our lives, and not just India but the whole world, which makes it a way more intense problem. But I think सबने ऐसे crisis में the entire humankind has shown solidarity. For me, मुझे एक्चुअली पता था कि लॉकडाउन होगा, बट मुझे नहीं, इसलिए मैं आई थी यहाँ पर, बिकॉज आई थॉट द लॉकडाउन विल बी फॉर लाइक व्हाट 10-15 days. So मुझे लगा था तब तो कोई काम नहीं होगा तो आ जाती हूँ. But when I came here, I got stuck for like, I'm still stuck here because international flights नहीं खुले हैं अभी तक. घर पे फॉर्चुनेटली बिकॉज आई न्यू देयर वुड बी अ लॉकडाउन, और जब भी मैं इंडिया छोड़ के इधर आती हूँ आई मेक श्योर दैट एवरीथिंग इज़ इन प्लेस एंड देन आई कम हियर. अदरवाइज सो हमेशा माइक इधर गोज टू इंडिया और आई कम हियर. सो लॉकडाउन में आई थॉट दैट इट बी बेटर इफ आई वॉज इन स्विट्जरलैंड. मेरे मॉम डैड सब कोलकाता में हैं. माई एल्डर सिस्टर इज़ देयर, सो दे टेक केयर ऑफ, they are there together, so I know that nobody is alone, the whole family is there. Mumbai mein yeah, my house is there and all is taken care of. Contact जैसे सब पूरी दुनिया कर रहे हैं अभी with through WhatsApp video call every day. I'm in a video call with my friends and my family every day. सब बातें करते और क्या, दैट्स व्हाट वी कैन डू एनी विच वे. अगर वहाँ भी रहती मैं मुंबई में, मैं कोलकाता तो जा नहीं पाती. सो या इट्स नॉट एक्चुअली मेकिंग दैट मच ऑफ अ डिफरेंस एक्सेप्ट फॉर द फैक्ट दैट आई रियली मिस द नॉर्मल लाइफ बैक इन इंडिया. एंड क्योंकि यहाँ पर हो गया नॉर्मल, बट मैं इंडिया इतने दिनों तक मैं कभी बाहर नहीं थी, इतने महीनों तक. सो जब भी मैं डिप्रेस रहती हूँ, गाना, there it can be any song, there are so many songs, I just don't know which one to sing, but I like anything, any मूड पे डिपेंड करता है. एक्चुअली जब मैं दुखी रहती हूँ तब आई प्रेफर लिसनिंग टू फन डांस सॉन्ग्स वेयर, ताकि मैं जाके लेट्स टेक द एनर्जी आउट एंड या क्योंकि डांस ऑल्सो हेल्प्स. सो आई डोंट नो विच वन टू सिंग.
As we know that, right now we are going through a tough time, right? And an artist like you, who is known for her live gigs where thousands of people are gathering and listening to you, singing along with you. Do you think in near future, even after the lockdown gets over, the live gigs, music festivals where people are basically coming and enjoying together, that whole culture is going to get affected by social distancing? And if so, then how live artists like you are going to survive, or how you guys are going to stay motivated and work on your art and craft to stay connected with your fans?
Good that you asked this question. I honestly believe the situation is definitely not going to be even social distancing. अभी बोल रहे और सब अभी बहुत डरे हुए हैं वायरस को लेके, but this is not a permanent situation, that's for sure. And I'm not being in denial or optimistic. No. It is because कोरोना से भी ज़्यादा भयंकर वायरस एग्जिस्ट करते हैं एंड हम लोग हर रोज़ उससे we are literally, our body is fighting against it. So it is not a crazy virus which is going to kill everybody. No, people will get it. That is, we can't avoid that. And those who have weak immune system will suffer. I mean, that should push us to actually take care of ourselves more. और I don't think अभी हाँ obviously बहुत घटिया धक्का लगा है to the entertainment industry, to actually every single industry, but all the more so even if other industries resume work, हम जो the ones like us who are in the live and like performing industries for concerts and all that, live events industry basically, उनके लिए time लगेगा, but it will come back because eventually people will start living with the virus. Body will also get used to it because body will form the antibodies to be able to fight with it. So it is not इट्स लाइक अगर हमारे इधर डेंगू मलेरिया भी एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, हम अगर उसके डर से नहीं जाएंगे तो ऐसा तो नहीं, इधर सीजनल फ्लू के डर से अगर हम घर के बाहर नहीं निकलेंगे वो तो नहीं होगा. सो इवेंचुअली आई थिंक people will come to terms with the fact that this virus exists and we will be able to take care of ourselves. It's nothing, you just have to take care of your immune system, have to take care of yourself. So वो करेंगे तो eventually I think people, it's just an adjustment thing right now, वो हो जाएगा eventually, तब जाके normal वापस आ जाएगा. It will come back, we all know that, but right now it is just this time that which is the biggest fight, that how we stay with each other. जिनके पास है वो जैसे जिनके पास नहीं है उनको हेल्प करें. और that should be the scenario right now. This is how we will fight through it. So I दुखी होते टाइम क्या गाना गाती हूँ वो तो नहीं, बहुत सारे हैं, but I would love to sing this song for everyone because we have worked so hard on it and I think सबको पसंद आ रहा है. So I'll sing दिल का फितूर for everyone. दिल का फितूर है या इश्क है सही में देखते तुझे, लो तेरी हो गई मैं हुआ मशहूर है, तू दिल की हर गली में ऐसा नूर है कि तेरी हो गई मैं अब दुनिया से, जहाँ से है ना कोई वास्ता, अब जिंदगी के हर पन्ने पे है ये दास्तां, होने लगे हम आपके, हम आपके.
No, you're a Bollywood playback vocalist, right? In last 1 year, there are a lot of experimental music that we have heard, like from Bollywood, that is coming from Bollywood, where 90% of them are like recreated version of the original song, original celebrated song. I mean, for last few months, all the pigeons from my window are complaining left, right, and center after they heard the recreated version of Masakali. My question to you is that ki you as an artist, what kind of musical content that you prefer to support or you stand by? Is it the original music content which is kind of tough to market, tough to establish, or you think that if a old classic song that is celebrated and popular, it is okay to present them again with new instrumentation and new lyrics and the way it has been happening? What is your opinion on the remix and recreated version of original Bollywood classics?
It's not experimental music according to me. See, I never had any problem with recreations. I don't judge things like that. It's but what is the problem is the it's extremely unethical to just so जब गाने बनाए जाते हैं, I'm sure even the ones who are recreating them, they also know, the musicians, that when they make an original song, a lot of hard work goes into it. A lot of that's the talent that they show, and people have really worked hard on it. And there's something called respect, ethics, and that's what has completely disappeared, and that's the most disappointing thing, because agar artists को disrespect करेंगे just for the heck of getting fame, name, money, it's just it's disgraceful according to me. मैं कोई गाना, कोई आर्टिस्ट, किसी का नाम कुछ नहीं लेना चाहते. I don't want to pick and point. I also myself see, if for me the funda is that if there's a existing song that you want to recreate, why not? When a song is out, it's for everybody. Yeah, well, if you want to recreate it, please do it, but make sure that you do it better than it, or at least as equally as good at it. But if you're doing like sorry, but Chichorapanti, jahan par you will not nothing of your talent is shown, but only your credits are going where the song actually has been made by some other people, and unka naam daba ke, it's just, that is not okay according to me. And hats off to Rahman sir for standing up for whatever he stood up for. सब चुप रह जाते, बोलते नहीं है. But this is a practice which doesn't reflect good upon firstly the culture of our country, to be very honest, because it's unethical behavior like this is not okay according to me. Yeah, it's just disgraceful, because hamara nation in India, we have so much of talent. It's just ridiculous how much talent we have, and our culture is so rich, our music is so rich. The way हमारे जो chord progressions होते हैं वो इतना rich, intense, amazing है. ऐसे country में अगर हम लोग like we will shy away from actually creating originals, it's sad. Recreations करे, but इतना भी ना करे कि it's just it reaches the point of becoming very annoying and irritating. And I think that's the stage it has reached, because people need originals, even if it needs more push to be promoted. But that's the responsibility, and that's everybody's responsibility in the entertainment industry, to make sure that originals are out there, because that will only define our industry, nothing else. Recreations are not going to define our musical industry. So agar world map mein dekhe, so it's very disgraceful, because if this is what we have to show, that this is what we create, because we are not actually creating anything.